Yes, guys, how to make money with ChatGPT in 2023. Let's go. So, guys, I'm on ChatGPT right now, and I've just typed in what are the best ways to make money online in 2023. Let's see what they're saying. Let's go. Start a blog, podcast. Oh, podcast. Yes, I've got a podcast. One of my channels got a podcast. Create an online course. I've got online courses. Become a freelance writer. I've not done that. Invest in cryptocurrency. I've done that, but I don't think it's that great right now. Become an affiliate marketer. I'm doing that. Become an e-commerce seller. I'm doing that. Offer virtual assistant services. Not done that yet. Become a web developer or designer. I do that. Create an app or website. I've got that. Invest in stocks and bonds. I don't have that. But guys, check out this list for 2023. These are the things that ChatGPT is recommending, guys. And look, what you have to do is you got to look at this and you got to say to yourself, okay, how can you make money? So this is where you have to be specific with your questions. So these are things that they've suggested in 2023. Now, don't forget, ChatGPT doesn't always give you the same answers. Sometimes they say things in a different way. So, for example, let me just delete the answer, let's say. Now, let's say I've just taken it in, I've recorded it, I've got it, whatever, submit again. Look at this. Now, see, if you look, they've actually given me a different answer. Instead of a list, they've gone into a little bit more detail on 5 things. Now, they've still said cryptocurrency. Now, they've gone into content creation. So they've actually mentioned creating a podcast. They've said writing a blog, creating videos. You can monetize it, and it goes into a little bit more detail on how you monetize these different things, which is amazing, guys. Look, freelance work. Freelancing is great. You can find freelance work on websites like Fiverr. So I've spoken about Fiverr before. Check out my playlist, guys, about Fiverr and how to make money on Fiverr. You'll see it on the playlist, guys. You'll see it on my channel. So this is Fiverr. I've just typed in social media manager for one of my other videos, which I spoke about. But coming back to this, look, drop shipping is another one, which is amazing, which is selling products on a website where you can get from China, online courses, which is amazing. And it's another great way to make money online. So guys, look, this is what's really good about ChatGPT is not only like it will give you, keeps giving, it's like a human, guys. It's AI at the best, at the top, guys. So what you can do is you can make you can keep actually deleting the answers that they've given, and then going through. And what you'll see is there's going to be a lot of overlapping. That means ChatGPT will say things, again, but it will change it up a little bit. So here you go. Look, so you can see that a lot of these things may be similar. Look, but there are also additional things. So, for example, you can see number 18 is tutoring online. Another fantastic way of making money online. Writing and selling ebooks. So look, all of these ways that ChatGPT has gone through actually do make money. They do make money, but it's all about what you want to do. So you have to think about what is it that you want to do to actually make money? What is it that you enjoy, what you like, what's your passion? And then what you have to do is go into it. So for example, let's say, and remember, content creation is one of the big things that they mentioned. Look at this, becoming an influencer, monetize a blog or website, drop shipping, right? So a lot of this goes around content creation as well. You got to think about what it is that you're comfortable in doing. What do you want to do? What are you good at? If it's something that you like doing, like writing, so you might write and sell ebooks. If you like talking, consulting about something specific that you've got specific knowledge, you might offer your consulting services and do that through either videos, either podcasts, or you might do it either through social media where you can set up a link and then you can actually consult people. There's so many ways you can do this. Or whether you just like selling digital products, it might be a case of you might want to create something on something called Canva. Now, Canva is an amazing software which you can actually make things. This is where I make my thumbnails, this is where I do all my social media. You can see it there, guys, selling digital products. and then also sell your services on Fiverr. Guys, I got all the videos in my channel on Canva. You can even have free trial of Canva and other things in my link in my description, guys. So there's so many ways you can actually make money, guys, but it's all about focusing on something that you like, you enjoy, and literally just going for it and focusing on it. So 2023, guys, look, you can get list upon list. If I just delete this again, there's a list of 20 there we saw. Right, look at this again. This is what I love about ChatGPT. Look, there you go. Like I said, there will be a lot of overlapping because these are the things that work. They're basically telling you, here's some things that you can do that actually do work. So there's not going to be a lot of things that change, but there will be variations. So for example, look at this. Number 9, social media influencing. Become a social media influencer. Collaborate with brands. Promote their products. YouTube, create a YouTube channel and monetize it with ads or sponsorship. Selling digital products, sell ebooks, stock photos, videos, graphics. So they go into detail sometimes about how to make money, which is amazing, guys. So guys, check out ChatGPT. This is what I suggest. Check out ChatGPT. Ask a specific question. For example, what are the best ways to make money online? And actually keep refreshing. So delete if you're not sure about what it is, or if you like something and you say, okay, freelancing is what I like. Freelance platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, and TopTool, you can go and check these things out. Or what I would do is I would do this. So if it's like how to make money from freelancing, I would go on YouTube firstly, because if it's something that you're interested in, you might say how to becoming a freelancer, right? Because that's what it is. It's freelancer. There you go. Become a freelancer. And then what you're going to do is you're going to get loads of videos on people that I can actually tell you, explain to you how to become a freelancer. Look at this already. And then you can learn how to become a freelancer, learn how to actually share your knowledge with people and earn money from it, which is easy, guys. So guys, step 1, ChatGPT. Type in a question that makes sense to them and then look at the list. If you don't like the list that you see for the first time, because I'll tell you, I'll do that sometimes, I'll delete and I'll say, okay, let me see another one. Now, there will be another one with overlapping, but there are also things that are slightly different and they add things to it. So you might say, okay, invest in real estate. Okay, I can't do that. Not enough money. Become a copywriter. Okay, that's something that I like. And then what you do is go to YouTube, check it out, see exactly what it is to become that and how to become that. And then, you can see what the kind of demand is for that. And you'll see that ChatGPT just knows exactly what it is that you should do, what you need to do for this year, for 2023. And guys, honestly, like I said, I do quite a few of these things already and they do work and they are excellent. So guys, definitely go check out ChatGPT, see what it is that you want to ask. Remember, you can ask a question like mine, like I've done, and actually go through it. But remember, guys, check out my videos on my channel. Check out my playlist at the top and on ChatGPT, other things to do with ChatGPT. And guys, if you did like the video, hit the like, subscribe, smash the notification bell, and please drop a comment below. I'd really appreciate any questions or comments you got. Guys, take care. See you on the next one.